what is up? Wait, let me put it down there. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up, guys? So we're doing a. Okay, you know me, guys. I guess you know that. I think you know that. I use live for. Oh my gosh. Okay, what? How could I say this? I use omelette for live. So you know, guys. If you already watch my live, you will see that I always use omelette. And so for the day, okay, what is saying? Hey, you said you're always using omelette, and you should just like, okay, you just like use the screen video or like that there, but that's not easy at all because an omelette they didn't really post a video or something. So today, why do I already had that? I didn't know. Oh my gosh. So for today, we're gonna be doing a. So I already download resource packs and favor packs. So I get there's a lot of things. The Pokemon, Pigman, Versatile Pokemon, Spider. It's like an Pokemon. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Spider. Oh my gosh. Pokemon. Oh, get up. They're making a lot. But zombie. Oh. So it only use another. Creepers, I guess. I always push that thing. So it comes with green things. And this is the Left 4 Dead. There you go. And I'm in love with Elytra. Let's see what one. Oh my gosh, I didn't know. It's still the same. I thought that, oh my gosh. Where is the little stuff? Oh, there is it. Hey man. Hey man. Hey man, hey man. Bro. Let's be friends, you know? So this is the... Okay. Let me just first make myself like... You know? There we go. More comfortable. So there's a creeper in there. This is a from the. So this is the thingy. There's the 4 Dead. Okay, there's the. Oh, the big man look like this boy here. The 4 Dead helper, source back, chibi. I didn't really put that there. Heaven. Here we go. Behavior packs or just put baby player third song. The clock. is nice. Compass. But there's no gun. You know, Left 4 Dead always had a gun, right? So I'm looking for the thingy. How about we summon a dragon here? So let me see the clock first. Oh, okay. And a compass for what? Or I'm eating. So I'm thinking if we summon a dragon, a dragon, right? Where will it go? Oh my gosh. It's like oh, the dragon's nice. Just destroy something. It's nice guy. Oh. So it's orange, it's nice, I guess. It's going around and around and going there. How about we summon again a dragon? What could color it be? Or it's still the same? It's still the same, man. So I'm going back. So this is the way. Come. Oh. What? Ah. What? Now I lost myself, and then let's see if I can find the dragon. Still see them. Wait. How to tame a dragon, I guess. What's this? Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh my god. OMG. Want this face. That face. Oh, that's the armors. Oh, it's still the same. Okay. Hi, dragon. Am I a dragon too? Oh. Oh. No. Let's kill them. Oh. If they both like go to here. Oh my god, that really looks good. What if I made myself survival and then there's two dragons? Oh yeah. There. Then oh. And oh my god, kill salmon. Ender dragon. Ow. It hurt me. Let's make it peaceful. Well, these I don't want zombie, I guess. Or, or it's the Ender dragon to be blamed. Oh my god, there are like thingies there. Oh. What was that? They're like making a bigger hole. Oh my god, what are you doing, guys? Kill. Go. You died. to the biggest dragon ever. Go. Ooh. So that's how I do it. Yay. And like, what, did I die? Oh, that really hurts a lot. And yeah, now I know. Okay. So now I'm gonna make myself default and then make it normal. Mhm. Mhm. Let's take this off there. And salmon 100. Ender dragon. Let's see. So, let's see if this works. Okay, now we're gonna put salmon. Dragon. Let's see. Oh my gosh. That's how I can do it. So let's put a lot. Oh. It's like I can. Wait, let me see. Stop it. Salmon. Ow. Really hurts. Means a lot. Staying in here. I'm like, what? You're like, get off me here, you little. Where is it? Oh, stop it. You're like hurting me, you know? It's like, I'm gonna put this button. Then I'm going here. No. Then let's salmon love dragon. Oh my gosh. Now let's see how many dragons. Oh my gosh. You're like the dream of my. Peaceful. Heart. Oh. You're like killing me. I should kill them first. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Oh my. So pretty to see that, guys. I'm gonna get it on. There's a lot more there, so I'm gonna reach. I guess I wanna reach. 100 level. And then there's a lot of there. Or I should just drink a bottle, you know. It's so pretty. Oh, there's a lot of there. Just gonna get it all. My goal is to get 100. I'm down to 70. I guess it will not work. Let's see. So yeah, I guess so. I'm back at 30. Yeah. But then, oh, it stopped. So that's the end of the video. Wait, I thought there was a. Okay. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Yay! We just summoned a lot of dragons, and you didn't see it, right? Love it.